Hi, it's Ian, your favorite reviewer again, and we're at the camping store and the hunting store, so check it out, guys. They have great hats here, guys. Look at the hats. Look at the boxes. And those some cool stuff, guys. And this is a cool camping store, guys, and a hunting store. And I'm glad this is a great hunting store, guys. Say hello.
Hello. Thanks, Mr. Scott Reviews.
You're welcome, Matt Scott Reviews. These are the cabinets, guys. And, guns. And bullets. And this is a great store, guys. So that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And like us on Facebook, guys. And yabba dabba doo. Great to see you. And have a great night. So long.